Welcome to this lesson on the Task Manager. The Task Manager is a component of the Windows operating system that manages and reports the software running on the computer, its processes, CPU load, and Windows services. CPU load is just a fancy way of saying how your processor is performing under the current conditions. The Task Manager can also force close anything that is running and refuses to close. Side note, if you need to close a program in this way, you will lose any unsaved work. There are a few ways you can open the Task Manager. You can open the Task Manager by pressing CTRL SHIFT ESC, CTRL ALT delete, or pressing the Windows key and S and typing in Task Manager and clicking on the icon that appears. When it opens, it will look like this. And if you wanted to know more about what's going on, we can click More Details. For this video, we're only going to go over what the Processes tab shows. The left side of the Task Manager shows the names of programs or processes that are currently running on the computer. The CPU section shows how much of the CPU is being used by the process that is running. If the CPU goes up to 100%, that means it's being overworked and the processor is not able to handle the demand. You can find the offending program and kill the process by selecting it and hitting End Task. So let's say, for instance, Internet Explorer was raising the CPU to 100%. What I can do is click or select Internet Explorer and then select End Task. That will close Internet Explorer. The memory section shows how much RAM is being used by each process. The disk section shows the read and write speed as it pertains to the hard drive. If this is at 100%, the computer will be slow, as the hard drive is where everything is stored and accessed. The network section shows the current network utilization of each process that's currently running. And that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.